Hi, this is Lisa Jordan for Online GIS, and this is the Labens instruction part 2. So now that you have hopefully enabled pop-ups to come up on your web browser, or I should say disable the pop-up blocker, then you can download your data from Labens. Click the Identify tool and click the area where you want to download data from. The pop-up menu that comes up tells you the coordinates of the location that you clicked. It also tells you what quadrangle the information you want is from. So for where I clicked, the 5235 Tallahassee quadrangle, it's available to download DOQs, digital ortho quarter quadrangles, DRGs, DRGs, DLGs, and DEMs. The area where I'm looking, and this is helpful, is the Northeast. So when I go to download the data, I want to download the Northeast quadrangle. Okay, so to download the data, I click on the quad. Another pop-up menu appears. And for this one, I can download digital line graphs, digital raster graphics, DOQQs, or a digital elevation model. There's also instructions on how to do this if this video is insufficient. So I'm going to download a digital raster graphic and 2 DOQQs. These take a moment each to register. This one takes even a little longer. So I'm offered 3 DRGs, one in State Plain here and one in Albers. So I'll download the one that's in the Albers projection. Right click, Save As. This may take a minute or two to download. I remember that it's Albers. It's helpful to also write this information down, and you can include it as the source of your data when you're displaying these in ArcMap. So once you've downloaded your digital raster graphic, you can pick from a couple DOQQs. They come in various resolution and various types. So for example, I'll download a true color one and an infrared one. I think it's also interesting at this point in experimenting with the data to download 2 different resolutions if you can. For example, a 1 meter or a 6 meter resolution, so you can see the change in graininess from one image to the next. Alright, so I can download here true color, and I have a number of choices in terms of the projection that it's in. UTM 16 and State Plain, and also differences in the file format. JP2 is something you can add. A .tiff, also you can add these directly to ArcMap just by clicking Add Data. So I'm just going to download as an example this first one, UTM 16. And I need to download 2 files. And make a note to myself that it's in UTM. You need the .aux file for the projection, and you need your .jpg. It's hard for me not to say JPEG. Okay. Then I need to pick one other type, a different year preferably, a different resolution optimally, but whatever you can find. So I think I'll download this 1999 infrared color next. And remember, in my case I was downloading the NE Northeast quadrant, so make sure you focus to download the right quadrant for what you want to display on your map. After you've downloaded, then you can add each of them individually and compare them with different data frames on ArcMap. If you have any problems or questions relating to the website, downloads, and viewing these files, don't hesitate to shoot me an email or give me a call. I'm happy to help you out. All right, good luck. Enjoy your assignment.